In this guide, I'm going to show you how to activate Primary Account on PS5. This is going to be the PS5 Primary Account Activation. It's super easy to do. Intro. First, sign into the PlayStation Network account that you want to make primary on your console, and from the PS5 home screen, go to Settings up in the top right, select it, and then hit Users and Accounts, and you need to go to Other down on the left-hand sidebar. Select this, hit Console Sharing and Offline Play, and then go ahead and hit Enable if it's not already enabled. Now, this is the setting that works like the primary account option on PS5. When it's enabled, other users on the same PS5 can play your games and use your media, even if your console is offline. But wait a moment, it should say that console sharing and offline play is now enabled. And if you ever want to turn it off, you come back to this exact same menu, and where mine says enable, you want to hit disable. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.